once you've downloaded the software and unzipped it, go back into it and go into the main folder. And first thing we're going to do is install the drivers. Now, the driver is going to make it so that grey box will actually get recognized by the computer. And we're looking for driver inst, and that's going to do all the work for you. Once that file's all done, you come back out of there and go into the maintenance tool. We go into setup. Install. And finish. On some computers, we tend to find that there's framework files potentially missing. So if you get a fault when you're actually installing the actual software, saying looking for framework file 3.5, if you go back to the library, you'll find one marked up as .netfx35. Double click on that, download it, and that will do the Windows update for you. You do need to be online for that though. So double click on the icon to open up the software. So we've got options here. You can either activate the license, so if you already have that license key code already, you can use a maintenance tool, so I'll give you a 7-day grace before you need to put the actual license code in there. I'm going to send this one here, for example, no license has been obtained. So if I click on the next button, put in my details, so for example, I'm going to say put down Ben and Mitsubishi Electric, and obviously you're going to put your name and your company details on there, and then we'll go to output data, and it'll open up another screen for you, and there's that file at the bottom. And if we right click on that and we go send to mail recipient, so I'm interested in sending that file across to an email address. It's now opened up a new email for me. The email address we're going to put in is les quality services at meuk.mee.com, and it's probably worth putting a little bit of details about yourself. So license for software, please, and message, hi, can you send me the license, please? Cheers. And then obviously you put in your company details in there as well. So, and then when you're happy with that lot, obviously we just send that off. It won't come back instantly. It's going to take a little while because it gets sent off from here off to Japan, and then a master code is created based on your unique ID. So you can't share the actual license across multiple computers. Each one needs to be done individually. Once you receive the file, save it somewhere you can get to it nice and easily. So it'll be a CRP file. So we're going to activate license, and then I'm going to find where I've saved it. So I must admit I've stuck it on my desktop so I can find it quickly and easily. And this is the file we're looking for. Once I've done that, press the open, and now get into maintenance tool.